I am Grace, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a plate. So, first you fold it into it's like a half triangle, like this. And then you fold it another side, and then it looks like another side that looks like a half triangle. Kind of tricky when you first start it, but you get the hang of it. So just let me finish this. It kind of goes like right here. See, so it now looks like a house. But now it doesn't. When you fold it like this, where the line is leaving here like this. Make sure both edges are the same. And then you're ready to flatten it like that. So it kind of looks like a car without wheels or a bus, whatever you call it. And then you fold it like this until it looks like this. And then you do it with the other side. And then you bring it back up, and then it's ready to fly. That's it. Bye, everybody.